Hey everyone, so today in this video I will share you some tips about cold email personalization at scale. So most of the people got stuck when they're scaling their outreach and they don't able to scale their outreach. So how to send 100 unique email in just an hour, then you will get a personalized email at scale. I will show you in this video. So what if I told you if we are sending like hundreds of highly personalized email daily in just 1 hour with a 45% response rate. So today I will share you the exact process, tools, and the templates that make it possible. So hey everyone, the biggest lie in the cold mail is that you have to choose between personalization and scale. So I'm going to show you the exact way how we can personalize at scale. Okay, so just bear with me and you will know that. Okay, so our exact personalization workflow, the tools we have used, free and paid both, and how to maintain the quality while scaling, real example of wins and falls. But let's address the elephant in the room first, the personalization problem. Okay, the main problem is the personalization, the common, there is some common problem, that is surface level personalization. Most of the people I saw nowadays, they are doing like ICE went to Harvard. Okay, and the obvious mail marks, that is like I love how company is doing on that industry. This is generic, and people are doing it a lot of time. Okay, so the generic compliment, there is great post on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is simple things, but this is not the main personalization. Okay, so let me show you how we can do personalization at scale. And now let's fix this framework. So the framework overview, our system has 5 components, that is research automation stack, personalization template, AI assistant framework, the batching system, quality control process. So let's break down each process. So in the era of AI, now if you are not using it AI on your outreach, I think you are left behind. So you need to add some of your chatbots and you need to learn them and feeding them about your things, and you will get that. Okay, so research automation stack, that is component number 1. Okay, so essential tools for researching, you can researching the lead, you can use like sales navigator, you can find the custom leads, and automatic trigger notification, like export capabilities, everything. Okay, so if anyone changed their job, they recently opened, are recently founded, so what is the main things you want, you can get the updated data from LinkedIn via sales navigator. And that is the best tool I have used, that is Clay. Okay, so everyone is using right now Clay. So Clay, we can automated data enrichment as a waterfall enrichment. You can see their company insight, recent news tracking, you can add a lot of chatbot there like chat gpt, Gemini, everything. You can get all the tools at one place, that is Clay. That is if you have the budget, I think go for Clay, and it will give you the best ROI, the best tools I ever use. And the verification process, you can use like Million Verifier or Rion. Personally, I use Rion from AppSumo. You can find a lifetime deal from AppSumo, so you can validate email, and you can integrate on some of your tools, they can automatically put and the verification, so you can do that. So research template, if you use this kind of tool like Clay, sales navigator, so there is some research template, you can find like company recent news, last 3 months growth signal, hiring, funding, expansion, pain point based on their job posting, take stack, current solution. Okay, so it will save your 70% research space, you can do on that tools. Okay, so it's you just need some time to learn that how to use it, and after that you can go from there, and it will give you insane result. You will, when you will see that, then you will know that. Okay, the second one is personalization template. So this framework has 3 layers, that is company layer, role layer, and trigger layer. Okay, so on company layer we can specify those layer by industry specific challenges, company benchmark, competitor insight. Like if you are targeting real estate, so what's the specific challenges on the real estate industries, and what's the company size, benchmark, competitor insight. So you can research that. Role layer, that is a position of a specific pain point. Okay, the founder, CEOs, owner, what's the issues they are facing there, what's their pain point to growing their agencies or growing their businesses. So career trajectory and professional interest. The third one is trigger layer. Okay, so the trigger layer is the best one. That is, you need to mention the recent news, companies update, and social media activities. If you track it, then you will get a good precious data, and that will be really helpful to get a lot of reply, and it will definitely increase your response rate. Okay, so there is some template I using right now for a couple of my campaigns. So it is giving us good results, short, simple, and conscious. And this is telling, hey, first name your recent specific initiative announcement at company. You need to find it. Okay, you need to find it on you can use clay, or you can do a manual, whatever you want you can use it. Then at company caught my attention, particularly how you are tackling specific challenge. Like you need to, if you are, so if your solution help to solve the lead generation, like how you are tackling your lead generation challenges. Okay, so this kind of stuff. And then your offer, we help similar companies solve similar challenges by specific solution in resulting this matrix by a time frame. Okay, so I think if you just follow this template, it will give, if it will increase your lot of response rate, and it's guaranteed. Okay, so you just try this template, it will give you a lot of responses, you will see that. Okay, then the say soft city, it can be like, would you be open to exploring how we can achieve the similar result for the company? Okay, and in the next follow-up you can send them one more case studies and with the booking links, and you can at least add 2 3 follow-ups. So AI assisted personalization, this is the component 3. Okay, so AI assistant framework, that is the most popular right now, everyone is using it because manual personalization takes a lot of time. So most of the people are going for AI assistant personalization on clay, chat gpt, gemini, now is deepseek, everything. Yeah, chatbot you can use for AI assistant personalization. So you can use chat gpt for research summaries, Claude for content refinement, custom GPT for pattern matching, and AI. This is the things you can do from AI. Okay, research synthesis, identifying patterns, format consistency, grammar checking. But this is the don't, you don't need to do on AI, like final copywriting. You need to find and use your brain how the pain point is, and you can fine tune it by AI, but don't completely depend on AI. Complete automation, response generation, personalization inside. Okay, so you can you don't use that for AI, this kind of tasks. I think it's better if you hire a people for completing this kind of tasks for response generation and everything and all. Okay, AI example prompt. There is a prompt I already add here. That is, analyze this company's data and identify top 3 growth indicators, main industry challenges, relevant success metrics, competitor comparison point. You don't need to do it for every prospect you have. You just have to do it for one industry. Like if you are targeting marketing agencies, if you are targeting SaaS, if you are targeting any kind of B2B marketing, just put their industry and they will find this kind of options. Then you can go from there and analyze those data. Batching strategy, that is the component number 4. Like schedule your like 9 to 9:20 research batch, 25 companies, 9:20 to 9:04 AI synthesis, and 9:40 to 10 a.m. to personalized and writing, and 10 to 10:15 quality check, 10:15 to 10:30 scheduling and sending. Okay, so this is the batching system I called. So if you just add these tasks on your calendar, so you can easily use that, or the calendar links and tasks one by one, and it will be so time saving. So if you just do one again and again, it you will be a pro on it. Batching, there is some batching rules, that is group by industry, segmented by company, batch similar roles, and cluster similar challenges. So Similar industry, you put on one batch. Segmented by company size, like 1 to 10, 10 to 20, you can do it different company sizes. Batch similar roles, like you send owner one mail, the different one is CEO, so you can batch it, like for others, email you can send CEO, so different batch. Okay, the key metrics is 2.4 minute per email average, 25 email per batch, and 4 batches per hour, 100 emails totals. So you need to track this key metric to like track your work. So quality control process. This is the main and the important component, that is quality assurance. There is three step for this quality assurance. That is accuracy check, personalization check, and technical check. Okay, so what is accuracy check, right? So company names, personal details, recent events, so you need to check it, and you need to do it very carefully. Like on some company you can see like salescode.llc. Okay, so you don't, if you just do I just saw salescode.llc's recent post, it will not work. Okay, so it seems like you did it by AI, so you need to remove that AI, llc, or this kind of like extra word from the companies. And you need to accuracy check of the person details and recent event you are mentioning, that is correct or not. And personalization check, that is specific details, relevant inside, value alignment. So what you are telling to the prospect, you need to 100% check that, and that is correct or not. So if you use clay, then you can find a row, or you can make a row that is you can check that personalization on clay. So that's why I used to recommend use clay. And technical check, that is email validation, link tracking, scheduling, setup. So this is the technical things. You can if you just use any kind of tools like instant smart lead people.ai, then you can do it on that tool. Quality metrics. So this metrics you need to always follow. Your accuracy rate will be minimum 98%, 45% response rate plus, and 28% meeting book rate. It seems it's the high accuracy rate and high response rate and meeting book rate, but believe me, if you just do the upper step correctly, this is the quality metrics you will get. Because we are getting is consistently. Okay, we are getting it for consistently for our outreach, for our client outreach. So that's why I think you will also get that. Just you need to do the upper step very carefully. Okay, so how you will implement those, right? So I just make a guide on how you will implement those. So now I will show you how you will implement this on your cold outreach. So what will be your action plan, right? So you need to set up tools stack money. That means how whatever are the tools you are using, you need to set up it correctly, create some templates, and build your AI prompt, establish batching schedule, implement QA process. Okay, and start small. Like in first week, you just send 25 emails a day. Second week, 50 emails. Third week, 75. And fourth week, that is 100 emails. And you are saying, I think it's a low email base, but if you do a high personalization on 100 emails, you will get at least 4 or 5 responses. Okay, so in this way, if you just scale it up, you will get a lot of responses from these campaigns. Okay, so that's why I put here. So just measure these metrics, and keep it on your mind, then you will get it. And remember that without on a scale, when you are scaling your personalization or scaling your outreach, so scale without personalization is spam. That means you are spamming to every people, every client. Okay, your would be client. Personalization without scale is consulting, find your balance. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and subscribe of my channel. And if you have any kind of questions on the personalization, or any kind of question on cold mail things, then you can drop a comment with your biggest personalization challenge, or any kind of question you have. I will try to solve it. And that's it for today. Let's see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.